If the text on websites feels too small, too large, or you simply prefer a different font style, Microsoft Edge lets you customize the way text is displayed across the web. You can increase the default font size for better readability, or choose a completely different font family to match your personal preference. In this video, I'll show you where to find these settings and how to customize them. Let's get started. Open Microsoft Edge and click the three-dot menu in the upper right corner. Choose Settings. From the navigation menu on the left, select Appearance. If you want to reach the option more quickly, type Fonts into the Settings search bar. Scroll until you find the Font section, then click Customize Fonts. You'll first see the font size option. Use the drop-down menu to make text appear smaller or larger across supported websites. Below that, you'll find additional font settings. Here you can choose your preferred standard font, serif font, sans serif font, and fixed width font. There's also a minimum font size option which prevents text on web pages from becoming too small to read comfortably. As you make changes, Edge updates the preview instantly, making it easy to compare different font styles before settling on one. Keep in mind that some websites use their own custom fonts, so your selected font may not replace every piece of text you see online. However, these settings still affect many web pages and can make browsing much more comfortable, especially during long reading sessions. If you ever want to go back to the original appearance, simply return to the same menu and restore the default font options. That should do it. Now, Microsoft Edge is set up with the font style and text size that work best for you. If you want more browser tips and customization guides, feel free to stick around for the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.